Right, third from last, here we are, of the models I built as an adult. The Jet Provost Mark III or Mark IV, can't remember which one this is. It's not a Mark V, so it's between 3 and 4. As the RAF's display team, the Pelicans. I think that's what they were, Red Pelicans. Yeah, I always liked the Jet Provost shape, based on the piston Provost, and stick an engine in the back and put a nose wheel on it and you got a Jet Provost. Right, a lot of the training units used to have their own teams back in the day, and the Central Flying School was no exception. The decal on it says Central Flying School there. It's a little bit brighter than the standard signal red that they call out for you to use in Airfix. It's a new tool, Airfix too. So what I did, I tried to brighten up the red with a little bit of yellow and white to make it more orangey, and the old film stock makes it look as if it's an orangier colour than it is when you see the old Pathé News or whatever it is of some air shows in the 60s or the 50s. But it's closer now to the decal than the red. So what I'd recommend is try to lighten up the colour red when you're making one of these. If you find them, they're not as available as they used to be. But yeah, other than that, standard design. Because the undercarriage main doors are closed on the ground, you don't have to mould those, but you do have to put them on. They don't have to get them sticking out. Very technical terms here coming out. And similarly, the way the nose wheel was operated, the doors closed up afterwards. A little bit of masking to make a silver end of the rear, the jet exhaust. I could have put a little bit of smokiness to that to make it look weathered, but I didn't. Bit of pre-shading on the ailerons. Maybe over the top it's a bit darker than it really should be, but it makes the ailerons and flaps pop out a bit, and the elevators. Yeah, nice little kit, nice little design. Just check I haven't gone out of screen. No, I'm still in screen. And there you go. I tried to paint navigation lights on here, but the paint is rubbed off a bit, and that would be the only downside on this kit, is that they don't provide glass or clear plastic for the nav lights on the fuel tanks. But other than that, it's a good kit, and yeah, keep an eye out for one. And there you go, that's the Jet Provost I built.